Oh, Doodoo, if you watching this vlog, you hear him now. Third day, the Siggy versus Red Bull. On my mama, y'all gotta know what's going on. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Yeah, I ain't getting it now, I ain't gonna lie. I just float all y'all out. I ain't getting it there. Under the bread, man, it's still raining, you feel me? I know them folks like, man, what the? Man, we padding it real. Yes, Sirski, and I got the guy with me. He be on the highway with it. Yes, Sirski.
Hey, like, comment, all my young niggas on Demon Time.
Boom, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Redder Seekers, and we back with another banger video. Hey, look, I ain't met up with Bear no yet, but shit, Kurt Dog right across the street. Oh, everybody over there? Say what's up to the camera, man. Say what's up this time. With it, yeah, my boy. Come on, come over here on Bobo, man. Kurt Dog and right across the street, man. You feel me? Hey, look, we vlogging, we missed out on the vlog yesterday, but we probably gonna shoot to the pool today, y'all. Feel what I'm saying? On the bikes, y'all already know what's going on. Hey, help her hit 500 subs. I don't know how many we here though. Huh? And who birthday? Who? Who birthday it is? Oh, we vlogging today. I ain't gonna lie. We on these bitches today. We already missed a little vlog yesterday. Yes, Sirski. We missed a little vlog, but hey, today though, we finna hit this pool up. Y'all wanna shoot the Walmart today? Hey, we probably shoot the Walmart, but
ain't that many people there for.
I know it. When we get everybody, y'all just stay tuned. And we gonna get back with y'all. We on my mom, we vlogging. They just say what's up to the vlog. Hey, look, Kev gotta go get his bike though. Mario, you so damn ugly. I'm just fucking with you about this. But look though, Kev, gotta go get his bike and we gotta put some air in that bit. I don't know what Kurt is doing. Kurt Dog said he just chilling though. And this some boy. Bear, where you at? I ain't even put you on the vlog for today, Bear. What's up, my boy?
What's up?
No doubt.
Yes,
Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Do a backflip right now. Do another one. Do another one. Man, you can't do number 2. Hey, but look though, hey. Y'all stay tuned. Kev finna go get his bike. We gonna put a little air in the tire.
Yeah, we finna put some air in the tire.
Yeah. Y'all stay tuned, old Bobo. Hey, look though, Kev finally got his bike. He finna go and put. When I stop my mom. If Kev don't say shit, y'all don't say shit. You straight with it, my boy? Boom, on Bobo, he straight with it. Hey, but look though, he finna change the tie. You feel me? Put that little tie on. We got Kurt Dog, you feel me? We got all the members in this thing, you feel me? You gotta know what's going on, no doubt. Hey, but look though, y'all stay tuned till we hit the road over. So Kurt Dog, you feel me? You know Kurt Dog the mechanic. Y'all need your bike fit. Hit Curtis up, man, real talk, man.
You need the bike fixed up, hit that boy, Tay, hit that boy. Hey, man, hit the whole game, man. We all fix bikes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any one of them. All look put you in motion, no doubt. My camera look a little dirty though. I think we in the game now. Hey, but look though, y'all just stay tuned until we get this tire right, no doubt, man. We at Bell Nation, man. Big Bad just pulled up. Well, he been pulled up, you feel me? I had to bring the camera. Folks, when I put this camera on you, stop fucking doing this every time, folks. Talk to the camera, bro. Damn, folks.
Hi guys, it's me, Sticky in this joint, you feel me?
There you go.
Boom, finna hit 22, gonna do the little pool type joint. Hey, this is a long ride, we finna get y'all what y'all want, you feel me?
Yes, sir. Appreciate that. And this on Bobo. Y'all know I still got the guy with me. Kid, you in action now? On Bobo, my nigga still here in action.
Got the leg on them 38.
Oh, come on, I gotta show y'all. My boy Bear said he gotta give him a little water, man. A little hot out here. Yes, sir. He back in action. Hey, look though, we finna hit the road. Hey, so y'all stay tuned, man.
I already know.
Hey, look, he 500 subs. Hey, subscribe to the video, you feel me? Oh, Bobo, hey, y'all stay tuned, man. No doubt, man. We at Bear. What? Bobo, tell him where we at, Bear. Where we at with? Come on now, Texaco, man, you feel me? I still got the guy with me. Hey, come on. Y'all know Kev don't play, man. Look at them boy don't play me, man. Bobo, hey look. We on Texaco with it. I said we on Texaco. We at Texaco with it, y'all feel what I'm saying? Hey. We probably finna shoot the Walmart. I'm saying y'all trying to shoot the Walmart?
We can. Ain't far.
No. I ain't gonna lie, we did get over here a little fast. On my side. Shoot the Walmart.
Man, gonna be fast.
I ain't gonna lie on that. That's what I think.
It's gonna be fast like this. But don't ride for Red Bull. Killing them about
Be straight. I ain't gonna lie, when we cut through the scar, we really straight. You feel me? We just got a straight shoot. Hey, but look though. Come on, man. Y'all gotta know we on the bike and everything, man. Y'all gotta know we on the bike with these things, man. Look. We got a little test coat. I'm on bike here. Hey, but look though. Y'all just stay tuned. Go ahead and refill, you feel me? We gotta take us a little 10-minute break, you feel me? And y'all stay tuned until we get to the next spot. No doubt, I'm Bobo. Yes, Sersky, hey. Gotta know. We at a hotel with the shit, goddamn it. Them boys said no, we were going to the link.
What?
Them boys pulled up to the hotel. Better tell them for what the business is, man. Oh, Bobo. I'm saying, Keith, I bet you won't jump in. I bet y'all won't jump in. It might hit. Damn! It might almost just killed himself, folks. Oh, boy. Bro, this might just broke the full table trying to jump the fence.
What?
Man, I don't even know how to open the gate.
And then I said, you can go.
On the other side, they do. Hold on. Man, we need to change the other way. Oh, the Walsey, boy. I'm not finna touch that sign. Oh, no, I ain't in there. The boy don't play. Y'all ain't finna go this hard. Oh, I got the camera roll. Look at it. Oh, Bobo, we still. Yeah.
Is it even open?
Hey,
Hey, deep, he's only 5 feet.
Very now.
look at that.
Why do you want to call it a bubble?
We all let who gonna dive in there first? Who gonna go? Who go for the camera?
I'm jumping in the 5 feet.
For the camera. Hey, look. I don't know. Oh God, Barry now. It's cool. It's He called Bear. Them boy don't play for. Hey, look. Y'all stay tuned, man. No doubt. On Bobo Tater Sticker say he in there, bitch. You feel me?
What? What do you want to
Oh, I ain't deep at all. I'll start cussing on the vlog. Them boys in there. Oh yeah, Mario. Yeah, Carter. Oh yeah, I ain't getting in there. I ain't gonna lie. I just flunked all y'all out. I ain't getting there. Y'all might as well slam back, folks. Don't bet it.
I'm in there. I can't swim. Come on.
Them boys don't play. Them boys in the pool with it, folks.
I told y'all, come.
I'm saying, hey, look. I don't know how long we finna be at this spot. Mario, where you at? Betty Kurt, where y'all at? Hey, look, hey, y'all stay tuned till we shake this spot. I don't even know how long we gonna be over there. Man, come on, my boy. Man, look on Bobo, man, y'all. No doubt. Saying, Kurt, you might well jump in there for the camera, man. This old way get in that water, old Bobo. I get it. Go say it, Kurt. With everything on, you got $100 written now.
You said what?
Now, Kurt got getting over everything on for $100.
I put all my clothes back on.
Hey, look though, hey.
Hey, who can actually
I
dive?
don't know how long we gonna be at this. I'm saying them boys trying to shoot to the trail, folks.
Yes, sir. Man, I'm just finna roll off in
Let me go out and bust that left, keep going all the way to the left.
We know.
Ain't no weed out, man. On my mom, you act like that ain't no ride.
Yeah, that's it,
My soul it is. On God it is. Hey, but look though, y'all stay tuned till we shake this spot. Them, I don't know how long them boys gonna be in the pool. I ain't getting in there though. No doubt. Y'all stay tuned, babe.
I ain't come to play.
Man, these boys come book the man for the Gatorade. Oh, shit. Oh, my nigga Taylor wrote, man. These boys come book the man for the Gatorade. Man, this shit crazy. My Man, these boys don't play. Man, these boys don't play, folks. They be like, them boys do not play, dog. On my life. Man, no cap, man. Them boys booked the man for the Gatorade, G. No cap, bro.
Hey, look, man, them boys finally getting out the pool, man. You feel me? On Nation. I told them boys it was over for getting in that pool. Hey, but look though, we probably gonna go by McDonald's. I don't know what we finna do. Wherever we go, you know, I'm gonna tap back in with the Kermit Field, you know what I'm saying? Look at them boys, now them boys finna be wet on the bike for all them, look at straight dummies. Them boy got them a little breeze, for what you holler out, Bear?
I'm finna push that boy.
Come on, Kurt, you know it was all with. Hey, but look though, y'all stay tuned, man, we finna get ready to shake this spot. Hey, get out of here. What to do? Huh? Huh? Go ahead. What hell? Oh, Doodoo, if you watching this vlog, you hear him now. Third day, the Siggy versus Red Bull. On my mama, y'all gotta know what's going on. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Yes, Sirski. Hey, whoever the MVP of the game, I'ma pay y'all. Yes, Sirski. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, we letting back run the ball.
Yeah.
Y'all got the best running back, man. You feel me, bro?
Yeah.
That nigga Drake.
Man, I'm my nigga wait, my boy.
Official Drake, make sure you take me toe to toe. We done.
Yeah, Curtis said he talking to me big boy, you feel me? No, but let me go see what Taylor want. This nigga to call my name about 30 times, man. God. Yes, Sirski, y'all know we still on these. But what's up, my boy? What you got to tell these folks?
Tell them Red Bull niggas to be ready too.
Yeah, tell them third day.
Mama,
And we turn. How many touchdowns you scoring?
We scoring back. Nigga, we gonna leave home with a dub. Mama.
A dub.
We gonna go back with a dub. But we scoring till we get there, till we leave.
Okay, now. Stop playing with my
Put on
guy. Oh, Bobo, stop playing with my guy. Y'all gotta know we finna leave the pool. But hey, look, don't forget like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned until we get to the next spot. No belt. Yeah, on my mom. Then it raining out here.
Leg getting wet.
Get the bike out. Hey, I hit them 4 cars. Oh my soul, man. Ain't no way it rain. We gotta ride the bikes in the rain. I'm saying, Kurt, dog.
Man, God, funny fool that shit.
I'm Curtis so funny, folks. Oh God, it rain out here, man. And we on some bikes, folks, like some dummies, folks. Oh, hey, look, hey, we probably finna try the McDonald's. Hey, so look though, hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Until we get to McDonald's. That's on Mario. Man, on my soul, we on the bridge, gang. Where you at, folks? Keith, where you at? Man, Keith don't play, folks. Watch this man, bro. Come on, Keith. Look at this man, folks.
Stupid. Buy him out. What you got going on?
Stop cussing, man. Folks, stop cussing on the vlog, Curtis, folks. Stop cussing. Stop cussing, gang, on Nation. Man, you on strike 3, dog. I'm here to show you, folks. On Nation, folks. Man, people, man, we on the bridge, man. It's still raining, you feel me? I know them folks like, man, what the? Hey, Blue Dog, hey, we finna shoot McDonald's like rid of the street, so hey, y'all stay. That man ain't much trying to go fast, folks. And it's still sprinkling out here, folks. We done got caught up in the rain. Yeah, Sirski. Hey, look, hey. I'm Bubba, hey, y'all stay tuned till we get to McDonald's. Y'all got what you got to holler out, baby?
Reason why we got caught up in the rain, cause it started raining, so anything bad we're gonna make.
Hey, we gone, folks. And we on the highway with it. Boy, ain't going no fun, boy. Oh, that shit. And we padding it real. Yes, Sirski, and I got the guy with me. And we on the highway with it. Yes, Sirski. But it's straight out the rap. I'm not trying to rap. Before I rap it, I really was trapping. And we all on 22 with y'all. Gotta know what's going on. Know about, man. Hey, look though. McDonald's right up the road right here. Yo. Look at them boys don't play, folks. Them boys all in the road. Them boys said they ain't stunning no sidewalk. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Till we get to McDonald's. We right here, though. Come on, guys. Y'all gotta know we at McDonald's. Hey, say hey to my YouTube. Say hey to my camera. Just say hey. Say what's up to it. Yes, sir, Ski. Yes, sir, Ski. Boy, that boy say you on break, ain't it, boy? So next y'all gotta know we at McDonald's.
That nigga on the camera.
You like Bear?
For the man, step on my freaking toe when she's
Man, come on, Bear. All that cussing, man. Just chill out all that crap, baby.
Like, comment, subscribe, know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir, Ski.
Hit that like button.
Yes, sir, Ski. No bell on Bobo. Hey, appreciate that, boy.
Actually, him look like Sonny, too.
You like who?
Sonny?
Huh?
Get here.
He might be drinking there.
All right, Bear. Y'all gotta know we in McDonald's anything. I'm saying Mario, I bet you. I'm saying Mario, come fix my order. On Bobo. They ain't McDonald's with no money, man. I'm just talking. Hey, look, y'all stay tuned. We finna order us a little food. I be doing a little YouTube, you feel what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned.
Oh, yeah, right? Oh, my God. You smashing, ain't
Oh, Bobo.
Smashing, ain't right? Dang, y'all niggas sitting over there, so.
Yeah, man, you gotta the camera on me. Camera ain't even on me, guys.
I bet you the camera on you.
Hey, let's go. Hey. Come on, man. Y'all know we had to trip, right? Four ain't? Alright. Four ain't ate all, I ain't ate all day, though. I know you better ate something.
Come on, mama, that was at school, nigga. Hey, come on, 2 Fridays.
Man, oh, that nigga go to summer school.
I'm not mom. Y'all look at my phone right now. I went to that ball phone.
Hey, look. Y'all stay tuned until we leave McDonald's, man.
On my mama. Alright.
Come on, this some Bobo. We just not finna leave McDonald's. Hey, y'all niggas be smooth, man. Them boys on break, babe. You feel me? That's some Bobo. Bury the stickers in this thing. Stick the stickers.
He got corn all on that.
Oh, Bobo, you know I just had me a big boy fry. You feel me? Hey, we finna shoot the Popeye, though.
I hope y'all got brakes.
Man, just keep going, bro. He be paddling too slow, folks. Man, we. Look, I told them boy we going pop out them boy, like they be the same time. Oh, they straight out the Ralph. We finna go around.
Hey, everybody,
Before I rap and I rich. Y'all gotta look at Popeye. Yes, Sirski. Them boys trying to get in the food they can get, folks. Hey, look though. Y'all stay tuned till we get anything on Pepper. Oh God. Hey, we the. Oh yes, Sirski. Hold the camera, boy. Talk.
Man, what the YouTube doing in this bitch? Boom. You already know it. We in Popeye with them. We got CEO Big Bad right there. We got little Mario. You know he'll tag along. You know we got that boy Keeves over there. He's starving. We got a little beer in his thing. No shirt on. We got a little Curdy right here. Curdy. You see Curdy right here? He act like he don't even hear me. Look at Leroy in the thirst bag. Oh my God. I'm playing on Rico. Hold on, wait, move. See, bro, you just let the man leave, bro. You see how he made the video and you put it on when you were riding the bike out behind you like, I don't even do it. I don't do it. See, bro, you let the man come back.
Come on now. Y'all already know me. I'm good at every restaurant in here, you feel me? No doubt. Man, y'all better go ask for a cup or something. You know, hey, every restaurant we went to had a gas something. What? Hey, but look, hey, y'all stay tuned till we leave Popeye, no doubt, man. For real. This some beer. Yes, Sirski. Y'all gotta know.
Yes, Sirski. When I get in my dad's shop, I'm cook my hot pocket.
A hot pocket.
Popeye is a swag.
Them boys, they taste a piece of chicken, goddamn. Oh, they should. Hey, but look. My mama. Hey, but look though. Hey, y'all stay tuned. I'm saying, Curtis, what we finna head to, folks? Man, yo, ugly ass folks. Damn. Ken Villa. On 43? Oh God. Man, stop lying, folks. You just want to flip the bike for no reason, folks.
Hey, damn tune on that motherfucker.
Boy, you need to tune in that. It's like
Curry, come get me right. All these motherfuckers.
Check it down, that big.
Oh, stop cussing so much. Fuck.
Right, Curry.
Hey, but look though, y'all.
Nigga go slap who?
You say it's up, but you better lay low. I'm with them youngins.
They gon' move when I say so. Oh, Bobo, they don't know nothing about that. Oh, I be. Oh, nation. Hey, look though, y'all stay tuned to Curtis. Oh, we back right. Oh, the back bike action super fast. I told y'all better hit Curtis up for the mechanic, man. Hey, but look though, hey, y'all stay tuned, man. Till we, where we going?
To the crib.
I don't even know we finna go. But we on 22, so I'm gonna keep y'all tuned. We get back across town, no doubt.
Man, you might have to roll the bike off from Sunset to over here. Oh, my mom.
Man, you talking about Sunset, boy? We the came
Yeah,
from
hey.
Stop at McDonald's.
Man, the tie we put on. Hey, who we gotta do now? We gotta turn it into?
Yep, change the whole, put a new towel in. The towel bust too.
And the tie butt too?
I mowed around a little too hard.
Ain't no way.
You know
Hey,
they
look
call
though.
that boy.
Bobo, we finna end this little vlog, you feel me?
Hey, y'all, make sure y'all subscribe to Bear the Secret. My mama,
No
even
doubt.
though I ain't posted no video yet.
On
So
Nation.
for all you already know, subscribe to Tater Six.
Yeah, it's cool, no doubt. Hey, look though. Y'all stay tuned, go subscribe down. Like, comment, subscribe, you feel me? They hit 500.
Might
Stay
do something
tuned.
Stupid for y'all.
On Nation, I don't know.
The next video, we coming stupid. We going fishing too, man.
Yeah, next video we probably gonna be fishing again. But y'all stay tuned. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe. Let's hit 500 subs. That's on Bobo.
Step if I tell them young and go, they gon' go step on whoever. Fresh to death from head to toe. I got G clutch in the middle. If you don't know about Lil J, then that boy, they'll just like the devil.